Okay, so the purpose of this video is to show how to run an application and get e-signatures. So from our homepage, you go to Tools, and then you go to New Business, because we're submitting new business. You go to Electronic Term Applications, and then launch IGO. IGO stands for In Good Order. So by using this electronic application, it ensures that when you submit a new application, it is in good order and ready to be accepted by the insurance carrier. So we click on Start a New Case. And anytime you see a yellow field, that's a required field. So here we're going to put the proposed insured name, John Doe. I'm going to put in the date of birth simply because I know that they're going to ask for it again on the actual application. And same with the gender. I'm going to select the product type, term life insurance, and then I'm going to see the available products. Anywhere you see the E sign shows that that is a carrier where we can get electronic e-signatures from the client. In this case, I'll choose Banner, also known as Legal & General America. So the application populates here, and what you see here is on the left-hand side, we need to go through each one of these and make sure that it has a green check mark at the end. And the way that we do that is we go through each of the yellow fields and make sure that we provide all of the necessary information. As you can see, as I'm inputting the information, the yellow fields are going away. So I'm just going to put in a generic email address. And a telephone number. We'll provide a best time to call and say 5 o'clock. Provide the client's email. In this case, I'll just write johndoe@gmail.com. And then, yes, the owner is going to be the same as the insured, and the purpose of the insurance is income replacement. In other words, making sure that something happens to one of the breadwinners, that the family is able to replicate their standard of living. We want to bypass the risk evaluation and put in the rate class that we used on the quote, in this case, preferred. You'll now see that I've completed 2 of the sections and I have 2 green check marks. Now I just need to provide the product information. In this case, op term for $1 million, a term period of 20 years, and a premium I quoted of $1,250. The client would like to be billed annually, and they want a direct bill. We are not going to be replacing any insurance, and I want to use EMSI for my exam. I go to the next field. Now I have 3 check boxes. I've just got 2 more to complete. Now I'm to my agent form. Is your client eligible to offer temporary insurance? I will say yes. Am I currently appointed with Banner? Oh, yes. No other producers. I'll put in a social. Obviously not my real social. Contact phone number. And an email address. Now I hit next. I've got 4 of my 5 completed, ready to go. As you can see here, I've missed something somewhere, so it's taking me back. I don't have a green checkbox here, so I've got a red question mark, which means I need to go back and enter more data. So I go back, figure out where, oh, I'm missing a digit on my social, add that on there. And now I've got green checkboxes all the way around, and all I need to do is click Lock Request for Life Insurance and proceed to approval process. I'll click on that, and I am ready to go. I'm licensed, I'm authorized, I acknowledge this, and I submit the case to BUI. If you have any additional questions or would like to chat, please let anybody at BUI know, and we're happy to help. From this point, the client will get the application to provide their e-signature. It then goes to the carrier to be formally submitted.